Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to schedule text messages on iPhone. Using a shortcut on iPhone is a great way to automate repetitive tasks. You set up the automation once within the Shortcuts app, and then the task either repeats automatically or can be scheduled with a simple command using Siri. The Shortcuts app is available to all iPhone users, but if you are running an older iOS version, you will need to download Shortcuts from the App Store. Once you have Shortcuts installed, follow these steps in this video. First, navigate to the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have it on your home screen, use the search function to pull it up. Then tap Automations at the bottom of the screen. If this is your first time creating a shortcuts, tap Create Personal Automations. Tap Time of Day and choose the time of day that you want to schedule your text message. Choose whether you want to schedule your text message to go out daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose the day of the week or month that you want your text to go out, and tap Next. Then tap Send Message. A window will open up with the text automation where you essentially fill in the blanks to make your personalized text message. Type your personal message where it says Message, and the recipient where it says Recipients. Tap Next, and choose whether you want to send the message automatically or ask before running by toggling the option on or off. And then tap Done. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.